Detoxification. One of the strongest detoxifying elements, metals on the planet, is gold. The Ormus Gold nourishes the cells, builds immunity and genes, and it detoxifies the body. That is why it is the flagship product of the 365 Healthy by Choice range. This is the product that is, Ormus Gold is contained in all our products. They're all organically grown, all have a certificate of analysis, naturally have Ormus inside them. So if you wanted to detox, you could take 1 tablespoon every 2 to 3 hours during the day for 10-hour period, and for about 3 to 5 or 7 days, and you would detox perfectly. For maintenance, you would just use the 2 teaspoons a day using a plastic or a wooden spoon. So that is our Ormus Gold, a fantastic detox product.